People of the Philippines versus Senator Jose Jinggoy Estrada et al. For plunder under RA 7080. You are hereby to commanded to arrest Jose Jinggoy Pimentel Estrada, who stand charged above stated crime, and bring them therefore to the court to be dealt with the law and rule of court. Direct, no bail. Ang nakalagay po dito ay People of the Philippines versus Senator Jose Jinggoy Estrada et al. Accused by virtue of a warrant of arrest, case number E-SB26-CRM-006 for plunder under RA 7080. The following are enjoined to arrest: Chief of Police, San Juan City, Provincial Director, Regional Director, NBI, the Director, NBI, NCRPO, and Chief PNP, and the CIDG. You are hereby to commanded to arrest Jose Jinggoy Pimentel Estrada, Manuel Manligas Bonoan, Denril Cesar Sages Cortuna, Manny Bumagat Blusan, Arthur Lobres Gonzalez, who stand charged above stated crime, and bring them therefore to the court to be dealt with the law and rule of court. Direct, no bail. Quezon City, Philippines, on 1st day of June 26, signed Honorable Zaldi V. Tres Peces, Chairperson, Associate Justice. At approximately 3:30 p.m., I arrived at the Senate to implement the warrant of arrest. Wala nang pong maganap na nangyari. Sumama po si Jinggoy. Binasahan po siya ng Miranda rights niya kasama kanyang abogado. Naiintindihan niya. Tinanong sa kanya kung naiintindihan niya kung anong ang charges laban sa kanya. Sabi niya naiintindihan niya. Papayapa siyang sumama dito sa CIDG, Pedroses, and resto. Currently, 4 of the 5 2 are already in the Sandigan Bayan. 2 are on their way to the Sandigan Bayan on the 5th Division. Secretary Bonoan is on his way to the hospital because his hypertension was listed at 192/100. He will be kept there for an undetermined amount of time before he stabilizes, and when the doctor says that he is fit to stand trial, then he will be brought to the Sandigan Bayan. Meanwhile, full security po siya, hindi po siya makakalabas at restricted access papunta sa kanya. Senator Jinggoy cooperated fully together with the other accused. They were found to be in good health and are now on their way to face the courts. Questions?
Sir, nakunan tayo ni Senate SP Alan Cayetano na parang medyo nagtatalo pa kayo. Was he requesting for you not to arrest him?
No. The question was whether yung separation of the executive and the judiciary and the legislative. Sabi niya, even at the time of Salonga, he protected Enrile. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, in a not very calm voice kasi umakit na, "Sir, I'm sorry, you lost that privilege when Bato escaped." Okay,
So
next.
ano ibig sabihin? Wala
So,
na
yes.
to honor yung ganong separation.
We will inform them, we will give them the courtesy, but if there's an arrest to be made, we will make the arrest.
So just for clarification, ang tamang term is you went there to arrest him, you served the warrant, or so it means he was arrested, or did he surrender?
We arrested him. I went there personally together with the CIDG. He was read his Miranda rights, and from there he was brought here to Crown to be processed.
How about the 4 others? Did they personally surrender?
Secretary Bonoan went here. The one from DPWH, I forgot his name. He was here, so voluntary surrendered.
All 4?
The 2 others voluntarily surrendered to the Sandigan Bayan.
Okay.
Sir, nakataas pa ba si Senator Jinggoy? At
Umalis na siya as of 5 minutes ago. Papunta na sila ng Sandigan.
Ano specifically ang ginawa sa kanila sa booking procedure? Can you just walk
There is
through?
he started with the fingerprint, then he went through the mugshot, then he went through the medical clearance. Tinapos muna silang tatlo. Nung natapos yung tatlo, dinicide na si Secretary Bonoan was not fit to go to the Sandigan, kaya diniretso muna siya sa hospital.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada requested prior to this for a knee replacement surgery.
No,
Ano
it was
pinag-usapan ninyo?
upon service. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, wala akong kapangyarihan dyan. Ang Sandigan Bayan lang ang pwede magsabi kung pwede siya mag-opera o hindi.
Sir, siya yung Senate President, bakit sumamahan ganyan?
I think to show solidarity with Jinggoy, he said that sasamahan kita pre, and that is exact word, sasamahan kita.
Wala naman siyang other request, sir, maliban mo sa nakam.
Wala naman.
Sir, si Kubunoan, sa hospital po, hindi ko pumasa.
Hindi ko alam, sasabi ko kung saan, kung saan yung PNPH, yes.
Dito sa hospital ng
I think so. Dito ba ako sa medical? Dito rin. Hospital arrest, but he has not been indicted. So, hihintayin natin yung indictment niya before he's formally charged. So, he is arrested, but he is not remanded by the court to go to the hospital. Ito sa our decision kasi nga, imminent na yung stroke niya at 192. So, ito sa decision na dalhin muna siya ron bago siya i-transport papunta ng Sandigan.
Sa assurance natin na walang special treatment mo kay Senator Jinggoy.
Wala. Wala talaga. Same as the others who have been co-accused. Depende kung saan sasabihin ng Sandigan. They will be dealt fairly, equally. No special privileges.
You have no idea where exactly they will be committed at some point?
Sandigan is the only authority to say that.
Pero hindi mo gusto sa in CJ kung saan nakakulong na mga akusahan for...
Again, Sandigan is the only authority na pwede magsabi. Kung saan.
Sexy, ba hanggang kaya po
Depende sa doktor niya yan. But there is a baseline for good health. Kasi nakalagay doon condition of reasonable health. So pag bumaba yung mag-stabilize ang blood pressure niya, dadali na siya, mag-return of warrant na kami sa 50
Can I explain lang po ba consider na arrest sa halip na surrender?
No, he is arrested but not yet indicted.
So, why it's not called surrender? Kasi yun yung narrative ng Jinggoy.
Hindi, surrender siya dito.
Surrender
Okay,
dito, and
he
then-
surrendered siya. He's already in the custody of the police, but he has not been formally charged in front of the judge.
No, but you arrested him.
He surrendered again. Okay, he surrendered. He will surrender his rights. Okay, but he is not yet in the custody of the court. He's in the custody of the police. So kasi may process yan, di ba? So, naharap muna siya sa judge, sa Sandigan. Then they will say guilty or not guilty. And then after that, the
Yes,
process.
but the fact that you went there personally to serve the warrant
Are we
is serving the warrant.
Are we talking about Jinggoy or?
Jinggoy.
I was talking about Secretary Bonoan eh. Di ba? Okay, you got clarified. Before that, we were talking about Secretary Bonoan.
Okay.
When you jumped, you didn't identify it's about Jinggoy.
Sa Jinggoy.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Okay, let's go back up. Balik tayo.
Yung narrative, syempre ng Jinggoy ka.
Balik tayo. Okay, we arrested him in the Senate. He was read his rights in the Senate. He acknowledged that having understood his rights, before he went to the crossroom, I warned him, sir, anything you say will be used against you. Sabi niya, yes, I understand.
Sir, but just to follow up, bakit po siya hindi natin consider yung narrative niya na surrender? Because di ba, he held
Well, that's his, makikita niyo naman sa video that he was read his rights in the Senate.
Sir,
So that technically constitutes an arrest.
so sir, it's correct kasi na bago po siya kumarap sa press ko, then sinabi niya na surrender siya.
He was surrendered.
already arrested.
Yes,
Okay.
he was read his rights.
Reaction niyo doon sa sinasabi na parang attack na attack kayong ihulihin sila, isa-isahin sila.
There is no right or wrong here. The actual warrant arrived to my possession at 2:45. At by 3:15, I was in the Senate. There is no right or wrong answer in this. As soon as I got the warrant, I acted on it.
True yung ulting miscommunication ng altercations sa Senate kanina with Senate President, hindi ba natin delete na yung sir na talagang obstructed was?
Hindi naman. He was explaining his side that this never happened before. But my side was that nung nakawala si Bato, you lost that privilege already of having protected custody.
Paano niya delete yun, sir? Yung statement mo?
We were fine. Magkasama kami rin sa taas. We were talking afterwards and he understood.
Sir, ba't natin sabi yun? Eh, di ba ang sinabi naman niya talaga from the very beginning, if it's a local court that will issue the arrest warrant, susundin nila.
Yes.
Bakit may ganun?
He was insisting that nobody could be arrested inside the Senate. He was requesting that he be brought out of the Senate first.
But this is beyond 6 years that we're talking about.
Exactly. And I said, I'm sorry, sir. There is no, we do not, you lost that privilege when Senator Bato escaped. We will arrest him now on the spot.
Was it only because of the escape of Bato or because there's also a 6-year rule na beyond 6 years?
Both. Usually meron kasing Senate and executive respect for the leadership. Usually lalabas mo na yan eh. But tama na, di ba? Tama na. There's no more hiding behind the curtains of the Senate.
Sir,
So, sir,
pinayagan niyo ba na mag-press con siya?
Within his rights, I warned him. I did warn him. I told him, whatever you say can be used against you. And he said he understands. So,
now you're saying na they lost that right after Senator Bato escaped. Are you saying that he has
it's
also
not a right.
planned
It's not a
the
right.
escape of Senator
It's not a
Bato?
right. It's a privilege.
Okay, it's a privilege. So
It's a
whether
privilege.
it's privilege or
No, I am not implying. I am not implying anything other than Senator Bato escaped and that we revoke that privilege of separation in terms of arrest. That we can arrest anybody inside the Senate building if necessary.
Sir, would that be a forward sa mga na lawmakers na ma-aalis?
If it is necessary, we will always do what is necessary according to the bounds of law. Remember, there is no such law as you cannot arrest anyone inside the Senate. It's a privilege granted to the legislative. So for the first time,
because of courtesy.
because of courtesy, it is a courtesy. But there is no such law which prevents us from arresting anyone in the Senate.
So even if it's not beyond 6 years,
I think let me get this straight and you can research it for me, but I think what is not allowed is if they are in session. Yes, all five are accounted for.
Leader number 10, last two questions from the media.
So, possibility po ba na dito siya mag-stay? Kasi yung court po ang...
It's up to the Sandigan Bayan. It's up
So, it's a
to
possible you'll welcome there, sir.
we have the Sandigan Bayan determines where he'll be incarcerated.
pero ready ba ang custodial facility?
The custodial facility is barely livable. But meaning puro daga,
Wala na bang
it is about to be demolished because for to build a new facility. So
wala na nagsistay doon ngayon?
I'm not familiar kung mayroon
Wala na nagsistay doon sa
Meron yata konti na lang yung mga Chinese na nahuli namin dati sa kidnapping.
Bago
Na
kami maghiwalay ni Senator Jinggoy, ano yung last message na po sa inyo?
sabi niya, salamat pa rin. Ayun lang. And then there was a slight altercation between me and the daughter. She gave me the dirty finger and cursed at me. I said, it's okay. I understand you're emotional.
Sino pong daughters?
I don't know which one. But I said it was nothing personal. Nag-emotion na. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
request for the mug shots?
No, not yet.
Why?
You will release it on time. The process, they took the just 5 minutes ago. So we can release that. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And that concludes our present review. Good afternoon.
Yan ang ating Bravo Balita. Salamat sa panonood. Follow at subscribe at like na po kayo sa aming Facebook, YouTube at TikTok channel.